Hey y'all, it's Julie. Okay, so now we're putting our big girl and boy shoes on, and we're going to convert weight to kilograms. Now look, a fat girl wants to hear her weight in kilograms. She could be 350 pounds, but in kilograms she like 136. I mean, I'm sure that's not exactly right, but you're always going to divide pounds you're going to divide by 2.2, okay? So in the instructions, it should tell you what you should round to. I just want to do these practice ones first. We're going to round this to the nearest tenth. That's one place after the decimal. I would, in your book, in your Math for Meds book, it states that you will always work weight in kilograms to one place behind the decimal point. And if they want it to be two places or to the hundredth, they should note that in the order or in the directions, okay? So we got 14 pounds. So we got our handy dandy calculator. And we're going to do 14 divided by 2.2. And that is going to be 636. So the answer on this would be the 6. Let me show you. 6.36. This 6 is going to make that a 4. And so it would be 6.4 kilograms. Okay? Let's do the next one. We have 55. So we're going to do 55 pounds divided by 2.2. Here we go. It's exciting. 55 divided by 2.2. Oof, let me do 55, probably this ended up the same. Okay. That is going to equal 25 kilograms. All right? Let's do one more. 27. So we have 27 lbs divided by 2.2. And that is going to equal 12.27. The 7 is going to make that a 3. That will equal 12.3 kilograms. Okay? Now that is when they give you just the whole weight in pounds. Now for some reason, this sucker right here. All right, it says 58 3/4. Now you remember what that fraction tells you, right? It's 58 3/4. We're going to just separate these two right now. So 3 divided by 4 is what that's saying. So we're going to take 3 and divide it by 4. And that's going to equal 0.75. So this now becomes 58.75. If they give you a fraction, which you got a mess of them right here, you're not going to freak out because you know what that fraction is telling you. The top number divided by the bottom, and it's going to give you a decimal. And then you take the decimal and attach it to the whole numbers of pounds. Okay? So now it's 58.75 lbs. Now you're going to take this number and divide it by 2.2. Okay? Here we go. 58.75 divided by 2.2. That's going to equal 26.7 kilograms. You see, look, saved them. You see that? We saved them. I can't see it. Here you go. Okay, so let's do number 2. 63 and a half. All right, 63 and 1/2 pounds. We're going to only work with that. So 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. So this will equal 63.5 lbs. And then we're going to divide that by 2.2. 63.5 divided by 2.2 equals 28.86. The 6 will make that a 9. And this will equal 28.9 kilograms. We saved them. Look, we saved them. Let's do another one. 163. We're on number 3. 163 and 1/4 pounds. So here we go, like a machine. 163 and 1/4. So we're going to lbs. And we're just going to work with that. 1/4 equals 1 divided by 4, 0.25. So we're going to take the 0.25 and add it to 163. And it's going to be 163.25 now, lbs. Divided by 2.2. Lord, let them get it. 163.25 divided by 2.2 equals, Dookie fart, what did I do? All right, 163.25 divided by 2.2. And this is going to equal 74.2. You can see that that's a 0 in the hundredths place. It ain't going to do nothing. So we're going to drop all the rest of it. So it'd be 74.2 kilograms. Let's see. We saved them. Yay, us. Okay, let's do another one. 39 3/4. What? Okay. So we got 39 3/4 pounds. We're only dealing with that. So 3/4 equals, just get your calculator, 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. We're going to add 0.75 to 39. This is pounds. Divided by 2.2. 39.75 divided by 2.2. And that's going to be 18.06. 6 is going to make this a 1. So that will equal 18.1 kilograms. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. All right. Let's do another one. 100 1/4 pounds. All right. All medications, especially in peds, are calculated by the weight in kilograms. So we had 100 and 1/4. Ay, ay, ay. I keep jacking it up. Okay. 100 1/4 lbs. We're only working with the fourth. We're going to do 1 divided by 4 equals, and that's going to equal 1/4 equals 0.25. I mean, if you think about it, 1/4 of $1 would be 25 cents, but you can't go wrong just keying it in your calculator. So now this is going to be 100.25 lbs. And we're going to divide that by 2.2. 100.75 divided by 212. And that's going to be 45.79. So you know the 9's going to make that go up. And it would be 45.8 kilograms. I'm not an artist, but you know. Okay. And all of these look pretty much just straightforward like that, okay? I want to show you this just in case they ever show you this kind. Okay, sometimes it may be pounds and ounces. This is apples and oranges. And so we need to make it all apples. So let's just, you got 14 pounds, 8 ounces. And just a little reminder, 1 lb equals 16 ounces. So when they give you part of a pound in ounces, you're just going to make it a fraction. 8 is what we have. 16 is the total possible to make a pound. I hope you get that. You're always going to put 16 on the bottom. And then this fraction tells you 8 divided by 16. So 8 divided by 16 equals 0.5. So now what we have is 14.5 pounds. And we're going to divide that by 2.2. And that's going to be 6.59. The 9 will make that a 6. It's 6.6 kilograms. When you're converting pounds to kilograms, you will always work it out to one place behind the decimal, to the tenths. Read the directions, because if it says to the hundredths place, then you know you're going to have to do it all the way out. And to work it to the hundredths place, you got to go to the thousandths. You help them, God. He going to help y'all. Okay? Let me do another one. All right. You got 22 pounds and 5 ounces. So let's write that down. 22 lbs and 5 ounces. Okay, so all we're gonna work with is the ounces, because we got to make this orange an apple. So they gave us 5. The total ounces in a pound is 16. 5 divided by 16 is what that fraction says. So here we go, handy dandy. 5 divided by 16 equals, and it's going to be 0.3, because the 1 is not going to do nothing to nobody. So now this is now pounds, and so it's going to be 22.3 pounds. You're going to drop the 0 and put the whole number of pounds in its place. And then we're going to divide that by 2.2. 22.3 divided by 2.2 equals, and it's going to be 10.13. The 3's not going to do anything, so it would be 10.1 kilograms. My concern is that they have given y'all in the book the things like we just worked. You know, it's in a fraction. It's not always going to be that way, and I'm just concerned that it's going to be given to y'all like this on the test, and then I don't want you freaking. Okay, you want to do another one? Okay. Calm down. All right. So we're going to do 16 pounds and 4 ounces. 16 lbs and 4 ounces. Now look, when you think you got it, just pause the video and work it out and see what you get, and then see if we get the same thing. So this is all we're working with. We have 4 over 16. So on our handy dandy calculator, 4 divided by 16. 4 divided by 16 equals 0.25. So now our weight is 16.25 lbs. And we're going to divide that by 2.2. 16.25 divided by 2.2 equals 7.38. The 8 will round the 3 up to a 4. And that will be 7.4 kilograms. Okay? You like it. Circle your answer, because she may not be able to see. Number 4, 31 pounds and 6 ounces. Okay? 31 lbs, 6 ounces. We're only working with this. It will be 6 over 16. So 6 divided by 16 equals 0.375. And that's going to make that equal 0.4. So now our weight is 31.4 lbs divided by 2.2. Divide by 2.2. So 31.4 divided by 2.2 equals. This is going to be 14.27. The 7 will make that 2 into a 3. 14.3 kilograms. Okay? Okay, and just to remind you, here, let's do number 6. 134 and 1/2. So we have 134 and 1/2 lbs. And we're only working with that. 1/2, 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. And we're going to add that to our whole number, which would be 134.5 pounds. We'll divide that by 2.2. You have to get this part right. You have to be confident and master this skill before you can move on and be able to calculate the dosage correctly. 134.5 divided by 2.2 is going to be 61.13, and that would be 61.1 kilograms. I hope this helps. Work all them problems. It's not rocket science. I know that you can do this. I don't want you to freak out if you see a fraction, because you know what the fraction's telling you. Okay? And if by chance You get them like this, you're going to know that there's 16 ounces. Burn it in your frontal lobe. 1 lb equals 16 ounces. And you will always put 16 on the bottom, because this is the total, and you're putting the partial of what you have. Help them, God. Okay. Lord, make it plain in Jesus' name. Amen. He gonna help y'all.